Prime Minister Modi's Operation Sindoor war cry that happened from the base. And this time, politics has erupted on it. The Congress party immediately charging at Prime Minister Narendra Modi saying, Prime Minister, and this is a big charge, the Congress party is saying, Prime Minister Modi stopped the Indian Armed Forces from capturing POJK. This was our moment, an opportunity, according to the Congress party, to be able to have Pakistan-occupied Jammu Kashmir, and that opportunity was wasted. Congress MP Imran Masood now asking, are we the slaves of Donald Trump? This is a huge charge. Remember that Imran Masood has been a controversial motor-mouth leader, but this is a huge, huge claim. Let's listen in to what the Congress MP is saying in why.
शौर्य तो रुक गया हमारा। अरे शौर्य तो हम दिखाते, सेना पीओके को कब्जा करती तो शौर्य दिखाई दे रहा था हमारा। हमने तो पीओके पे कब्जा कर लिया था, बटन दब गया, हम रुक गए। पहलगाम के कातिलों को तो निकालना पड़ेगा, पहलगाम के कातिलों को जमीन के 7वीं पुष्ट से निकाल के लाना पड़ेगा।
Mosmi Singh is joining me for the latest on that. Mosmi, these are very strong words coming in from the Congress party. What kind of strategy are we looking at when the Congress MP can say, we wasted an opportunity, we are becoming Trump's slaves? Mosmi?
Clearly, Pooja, you see that the Congress party has turned its stance very aggressive against Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, starting from Rahul Gandhi, who's led the charge. And there has been a bitter slugfest on social media and poster wars that have erupted. And yet again, this is another leaf in the entire tirade against PM Modi and Trump's intervention, where Imran Masood, the MP from Uttar Pradesh, is in fact slamming the government, saying that the government actually stopped the armed forces from occupying POK, and the bravado of the forces was stopped by the government. So clearly, it's a tit for tat that's continuing between the BJP and the Congress, even as a united delegation, an all-party delegation of which the Congress is a part, is traveling the world. So one can't help but see the dichotomy in it.
Thank you very much for getting us this reaction, and we'll be tracking if more of Congress leaders are going to come forth and charge at the Modi government here on.